All right, so I'll invite you to wear the vests. We'll introduce ourselves. So we are a team of astronomers. Some of us are still students, some of us have graduated, some of us are still waiting to go back to school and study more. And we belong to the company called the Traveling Telescope. The first thing, we're all going to do it together. You're going to work in groups of threes, the way we've arranged you. You each have a computer. You also have a manual, and you'll have this kit. So the kit has all these parts, and you'll use the manual. We'll guide you. You'll use the manual to build the robot, okay? Any of you heard of Airbus? Do you know what they do?
They build big planes.
The big planes, good. So feel free, you're allowed to discuss. This is a lot of teamwork and everything. Obviously, we're not going to shout, but you're allowed to discuss. We're not as strict as your teachers, we're easy. So yeah, just chill. And most important, just enjoy the activity we have for you, okay?
You see, look at the way it is. You see, then you put it like this.
Then I should enter here. The other way around.
So after you get the 6, you go to two of these. And then 1, 3, 2, 6.
The Airbus workshop has helped me a lot. It has helped me focus a lot in science.
Today I found it great. I've been shown how to connect computers and motors together so that you can combine them and they can really work well. I learned how to make robots and more about the planets, how the Airbus works, and it's a great experience today I've had.
To my friends, I would say that I had a lot of fun, and I think also they should also engage in such activities.
In the future, I would love to work with robots and the rockets so that I can be launching satellites in space.
You know, we live in science, in a science world. Everything around us is science, everything is science, light is science, the evaporation of the water is science. Yeah.
Then maybe for a few seconds, like 0.4 seconds, then move ahead with a 450 for around 1 second. Are we together?
What do you do now? You add the time, yeah. You increase the time for waiting for
The programming part, where you have to program the robot to the laptop, then adjust the speed. I think that was the most challenging part.
It's always good to try and not to quit.
After the workshop, I started thinking twice. At first, I wanted to be a pilot, but now I've liked the space stuff and I would like to be an astronomer.
Today it has influenced me a lot because I want to be an engineer.
Yeah, and I've learned a lot in this section. What I loved about today it was awesome. Constructing the robots and also using the laptops. I loved it.
Hopefully we'll be the next engineers, yeah, in the future. We'll make the world a great world.
What I liked most was all about the constructions of things, how they move, how they work.
The most thing that I have enjoyed is the making of the robots. Go to every school that is in Kenya, everywhere, even South Africa, everywhere, so that at least you can teach them how you taught us.